Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to use the Kroger Digital Coupons app. Sometimes you don't need to carry paper coupons. Kroger makes it easy to save money right from their app or website. Here's how you can use it. First, open Google Chrome on your phone or computer and search for Kroger. Now, click on the first link that takes you to the official Kroger website. Once the page opens, click on the Save option at the top of the screen. Here, select Digital Coupons from the list. Then, you'll see a page full of offers and discounts on different products. Scroll through and find the ones you want to use. When you see a deal you like, click on Load to Card. This will add that coupon to your Kroger Shoppers card. After adding your coupons, you can check them anytime by clicking on My Coupons. This section also shows how much you've saved so far. When you shop in store, just enter your Alt ID or scan your shopper's card at checkout, and the discounts will apply automatically. And that's it. Your coupons are used directly from your account, making your shopping easier and helping you save more every time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.